Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right. Next, we can do about factorization by sy. Next, we divide both sides by s plus 1 and y squared. So this one we simplify. Next, we need to integral both sides. So I will put the s gone here. Next, I will put s in here. Later that we need to minus about s. So this one divide by this one. So we have number 1 s divided by s. We have number 1. So we have 1 over s minus 1 over s plus 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of 1 over s, we have ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s plus 1. And I will put about c. This one we have ln of the absolute value of y. This is the end. Thank you for watching.